ngizocala ile story ngaphane because of ngapha ku faster ngisho, and then ngizoya ngale ngicela le two parts yakageli loyana obama umen trafficile wa end up aselwandle nakhumbula ngisho wa end up akupop no friend we celebrate nakhumbula ngisho so citelela ngale, and then ngapha ngicala lesa mama lo mama umfelokazi guys ne and or usagcoka inzilo yini ngesipedi kana usalime wamhlolo hard usagcoke like usayaperi nibiza ini ngesipedi lama language amaningi lelimi lami lararana kona lokho. So ngicela ukuthi nibe sensitive manje izokhomenta because of ufuna ukukhuluma and akafuna ujudge. Okay, I know ukuthi obviously it's natural ukuthi umuntu simjudge ne, but like ufuna ukuffer out because this thing iyamuja. That's the reason at is emangibale anonymously, and then kikhona like khontantwe injang because of I cannot tell my family and kontsela negibo my husband. So usisor asjosi bekile ngwana ka Jeko bekile ngwana mo smart ngwana o rata dilo ngwana o rata batho fine brothers ba hwale smeke. So to ka bikama like se Thabiso. So Thabiso o asjosi behole monate ne re ko monateng go ka party o thimina invite my friend often friend should like yena ka si close na lo muntu one party like meaning ukuthi ngichaze njani. So the miss party we invite this girl, then local we friend ka Thabiso. So wa invite lo friend was invite to Thabiso neighbor na master by 4. So I'm invited ngwana hona le and bar the fine brothers makutsumela tlabalite. So let's go yabona or I was just sas prepare into le yenzeke like years ago yabona like the party qalayo cause like una 5 years ashatela umuntu lo, so uyomkhiphe ko gaming ya unyaka namakutsumela nangibaba ngisho. So ugel uthi awusoze sas prepare bere bangena ba rata dilo bere bangena ba tsamaya strata in Bushigo ikuta yabona bere bangena ba rata strata bangena ba tsamaya Bushigo uthi awusoze gabe ukuthi sas prepare preparation uthi and sonke besima yellow bone. So horno sna hore re tsana ba le dark beauty bohol ma yellow bone, so bohol survival of the fittest ya yellow bone kilo bona I was just sas prepare hi ho ba ndaba ukuthi na cela someone ukuthi askhaphe because of personality for transport. So there was this guy very mitse hore arkhaphe uthi isambisa sathi sizokuthela petrol cela ukuthi uskaphe location ko kai ko li suburb saying ngilo bona uthi okay ayubhutisi vele ezevela sosilanda vele sire ku party or awusozi awutsena soka strata sako di suburb saying ar ubona ka dikoloyi gore mo go tlile ma top shayela awungazanga nje abantu abanganamali amasentine kuza abantu abaziyo batho babathorang the board meeting kuze bona but awusozi sangena uthi masingena phela or keleka miniskit and kilo short couple all black gore ke bonagale and ibe le glitters ma glitterin lokho kushana sequence ngisho kona lokho or angithi light ithi banya gore like awuna gore ukamfita usampulisi awukhonala once mara or awusozi mos artsenane athi mawungena so like uthika kokhoning and hona le skit light awur kuthika kokhoning so or caps and abantu bahleli like babheke the direction la singena khona or awukena fela sawuthwara skit light must be abantu bakubona and must be abantu bakunotice uthi okay ngingena uthi mangena vele like first brothers ongibonile ang approach same time athi masingena vele singene ubrothers vele angibotha ukuthi brothers sothu Chico Thabiso no Chico uthi mangifika or like la singenela khona like athi like kune ramp so yabona emasabab sithanda ukuba so yabona uthi uyakhuphuka so yabona then kune ramp and then uyajika then amajika like skit light like ngikholfa picture aw ngisho yakhuphuka then uyajika so la kune skit light la uthi abo brothers bahleli ngapha couch next to the pool. So mawungena lapha bayakubona uthi fine brother Chico wambona uthi wasikima same time afika vele waba welcome kana wabuza ukuthi nihamba nomuntu na uri kena lokungena uribe ababili uthi sithi no as invite ukhulume friend one friend ngimphika because iphatha capital one uthi no friend bam inviteile u-invite osibanibani so retlele mo bathi ambuza ukuthi lihleli le batho balena na or le tsamaya fela so girl athi no sihamba sodwa yabona hayi bathu brothers vela ngathi angamoshi isikhathi as introduce or ke na Chico kai and angifuna usho wathi ngiyagijima ngiyaranta ngazi ukuthi ngifuna ini mina sister skrata wena kuratile ku ubona nje utlhaela unamela masterpiece so ngikhuphela di number tsa hao ngikhuphela enhle khabotse odulele rena ko tafuleni khoza tla bamphamulele yabona uthi okay mangimbheka ubrother urfine brother mangimbheka vele ugqoke vele iskipa se designer label uthi ngibone ngithi ish ngafuna ukuthi ngifike umgcomo or ngifethe ufitla and angazi fine brother isira sizongifuna ke uzothini uthi ngithi Emma soft funa the friend then ngizoza kuwe at least sifuna umuntu osize ngaye la cala then ngizoza kuwe don't worry sizokhuluma uthi kube kubaleka kwami because bengafuna ukuzicommit kusese early because ucommit early hohle bathu abafine uhlule ukuthi uqomo yo lina liphilisa movie yasini once serious so usisi uthi okay sharp bahambe bafuna ugel bamthole uthi vele bawandisi ukuthi phela kugcwala enyane kilobona kuthi mabaphuma bakhona ukubona abantu aba right yabona so uthi ugel athi nginibonele imi no Chico bekathi no Chico kini no so gel manje hayi uthi funa inamba yami uyangithana ini afuna ukuthi abantu bamphamulele uthi ugel lo friend of the friend athi yo uChico unemali and unama10 unemali lo yamuntu lo umthathe serious uthi thize market uthi unemali unama10 uthazangimele azangisamele ukuthi aqede ukuya phambili uthi ngabe sengiyajika ngibela kuChico phela nabazomthatha ngisho nabe bazomthatha so what if uzivela umuntu omhlukela mina kusho bazomthatha so emakhiphuthumi uthi mangifika phana vele ngithi hayi sengibuyile ngimtholile uthi Chico vele kube ukuthi umuntu vele yakhuluma uyacommunicate nogel bayacommunicate athi kahle lo music yarasa samthi uhlala emotweni napho sikhona ukukhuluma kahle before sizo enjoy iparty or I was just azankerana fast kikuro motonale money so uthi masifika vele umuntu vele uhamba ngeexpensive car fika vele athi manje ngihlale phansi or yo I was just ngibona or mosmo ke tlave kireso koma furi and guys ngiyathanda ukuthi ningibhalele story ungasibhali phansi mawufuna istory ukuthumela inamba ungenzela ama voice note uthi ngikhona uqoqa kahle indawo beklowa manje mayibhalile it's difficult for me ukuthi like kilife picture it so if ukhuluma ngavo voice note ngilalela and then ngiyakhona ukusinarita kamnandi because asiyongihlupha ukuthi ngisaya ukuthi mina uyakhuluma ngevoice note I write it down and ngicela ngithi yabona ka magic wand ya Sophia yabona back to the story so sisters or I was just sihlala lapha ubrothers kube uthi vele uyangishela ke uba serious vele uba serious athi vele amtshela ukuthi mina ayikuthi anginamfazi I don't want to lie to you nginomfazi nabantwana abayi2 so ungafiki uphithizele uye kumuntu wakho and ngakuthi unomuntu ungothawo namuntu uthi like abe direct kungabe ukuthi umuntu uzosolo sifuna ukuthi sitshela namanga uthi angije ngakuthi unomuntu ngeke ukuthi umuntu wakho ungameki ufuna umuntu nakunale msadeli bana babidi yabona okay I was just okay sengibona ukuthi okay so ngipha ama boundaries sese eli ukuthi ungaspeed mara ungaspeed too much because of owner of this man you know what so uthi ngithi akunankinga ke mina ngizaba umamncane walabantwana labo uthi vela khulumela idate hayi uthi vele sizwane vele isikhuluma indaba yithi vele iphele uthi hayi sigcine ngeRoma ke sisile ngekhisi yendaba uRplus angishayi ngizwe vele igazi vele ligijima uthi ngibona ukuthi la lo mangaphuza angangirobha nje emangaphuzi tonight kibe vakere yabona uthi hayi baqeda ukukhuluma vele baqeda after the kiss uthi hayi asam so enjoy again uthi vele bahambe achile nabo etafuleni hobe vele brothers uthi vele yamhlokomela horo shapo uthi everyone makafika yam introduce or uthabiso ke mothwaka utlelelini ukuthi angafuni vele amaphutha uthi like vele ngibe excited and ngibe hooked because of moto or like wang introducer and akahlabi mahloni ngami kulona like yabakhoma ngore obona leskabapalela ngo okwaka obona and urisha pasifika or okwaka awusosi ngabe sengithathekile kanjalo ngabe sengithatheka kanjalo phela abut ola ona SN waperi designer label environmental tender premier ke tender premier una di tender and kamotsana ka kolo sharp so ra gore madam the wife una le yona chelete madam o phela monate so le nna bophelo ba madam a bonyaka le nna ka bonyaka so uThabiso or awushozi party ifele ubrothers vele as offering ukuthi ufuna ukusikhapha la sihlala khona. Uthi it was very late kahle kahle silokhu ngamathi ekseni, but like he didn't mind ukuthi asikhaphe. Athi ngifuna unikhapha nginibona ukuthi ni safe. Uthi vele asikhaphe ahambe vele istropa. Uthathi ngizokufonela kusasa because already sebachangile ba exchangeile vele ama number. Uthathi elukela ukuthi ngizokufonela kusasa. Uthikela uthi okay athi sure. Uthi the following morning vele ngivuse iphone call yakhe umuntu angifonele, hi how are you, njani, khoyaphila, ukuphi usemsebenzini or usendlini noma ngisendlini. Okay so kahle kahle ngifuna ukuthi mina nawusihlangane kahle sizobonana ngenzikhona ukukhuluma kahle kulobona izinto zethu, indaba zethu. Uthi awushozi vele ngimtshela ukuthi khuluma isikhathi mina am available. Uthi brother said okay ngizokufetcha ye within 3 hours, prepare yourself. Uthi 3 hours awushozi or immediately drop phone. Azange samele 3 hours uthi ngabe sengiyavuka ngiyageza vele ngiyaziprepare makeup miriri or ngibona uthi because of ngibona brother swayithatha enopara nice, so mfanele ukuthi namphela kulobona angihamba naye kubonakala. Wona uthi vele ngisilungise. Uthi brother ngim WhatsApp ngithi I'm done. Uthi as promised vele ubrothers vele afike. Uthi makafika asafika ngalebi abadrop off ngayimoto. Manje ubrothers uza ngimunye futhi umshini. Uthi ngibona ukuthi ngisilufuna ukungcwalisela engagcwala. Kulona uthi vele baphume bahambe bazikhiphe vele bayodla out ilunch. Hayi vele ubrothers vele amtshele ukuthi no, mina relationship yami inama terms and conditions, so you need to understand ukuthi angeke uzongifonela at any time ufuna ngakho. Mina umfazi wami une access phone yami, so when I wait for my call and then ila ungakhona ukukhuluma nami khona, but don't WhatsApp, don't call me. So if ever ungakhona ukuphasa leyo test mina nawo sizoyideni. Hayi uthi sisters uthi hayi amanzi amancane lawo ngizoyiphasa. So uthi ambuza ukuthi unomuntu, uthi ngimchazela ukuthi mina nginomuntu but onomuntu, so like angina like a steady boyfriend kahle kahle nginyathi to this guy. Uthi ubrothers vele uNico amtshela ukuthi okay if ever umuntu lo wasumuntu wakho direct rather ke umyeke then uconcentrate kimi kunto sicalayo. Ugela uthi ngivume vele on spot. Yes my man, yes man. Abafazi nokuthanda amadoda. Yes. Hayi shem yazini uEva yo Ashem, that's why what is suit Adam apple. Abafazi asibona amadoda Ashem. Yenina ubrothers ukelvele uthathe yasho vele ngingowaka, so bathi vele amtshela ukuthi uhlala nobani, ambuza ukuthi uhlala nobani ama details in okay amtshela ukuthi no ngihlala nomngane wakhe njani siyashare in place like that, things like that kahle kahle yabona. So uthi vele ukhaya amtshela ukuthi ayish mina prefer ukuthi ube nala sizohlanganela khona because angeke sihlale ukuthi each and every time sihlanganele ema hotel like fanele ukuthi ngize ukuthi ngizala indawo la ngizoba khona comfortable kulabona nawe ube comfortable kulabona. So uthi guy athi kuye athi amadoda nemali ayathanda ukufunela nezindawo ne should like i-trend yabo kahle kahle because each and every story bakufunela indawo. And imzilo sesihloya vele omuhle lo unomzimba omuhle ukuthi uthi wayenzani bakuthengela imoto bakuthengela nani. Yabona la ngafunda manje kulama video mina ngazi shem. Babonile amantombazana lawo ngihle ngiyaframe uphuma story. Bani babonile amantombazana le video la bagcoka izinto ngathi ezi gold, so bokuthi abangagcoka namaphinto abanye bagcoka ama-G-string mara iwa ama target baba targeta so ngoba abantu bathanda izinto bangafuna ukusebenza, basebenza ngemizimba yazini. Let me not judge them. By young they can enjoy their life. Sorry, back to the story. Yabona so uthi amtshela ukuthi afuna indawo, yabona afuna indawo sisters uthi vele ngifuna indawo uthi kahle kahle mangiqala ngifuna indawo ngimtshela ukuthi ngimbuza ukuthi ufuna indawo yamalini, yabona ngifuna indawo yamalini. Uthi amtshela ukuthi ingareach from 5,000 to 10,000 but ibe comfortable and ibe safe area yabona. So ke musabona ukuthi musihlanga ngizophila i-soft life. Uthi vele ngicale phansi vele ngifuna indawo. Uthi mngani wami vele ancedise uthi ayivele sithole vele 2 bedroom flat kuphi. Uthi vele ngimsendele video brothers vele ayithande athi okay I know the area and is sharp, so ngizokuthumela imali vele i-deposit plus i-rent meaning ukuthi ke-20k in total yabona. Uthi vele sister ubrothers vele athumele vele uThabiso vele i-20k. Uthi vele uThabiso vele ngibhadale vele i-rent ngibhadale ne-deposit vele indawo. Uthi athi kimi athi okay tomorrow ngabonani ngizobona. Uthi one thing about uChico mangathi ngo10 u10 5 to 10 already khona and akazwani nokuthi umuntu abe late. Utshela kahle ukuthi angizwani nentombazane esilungu, angizwani nentombazane ezoba late. so ngicela ukuthi mangithi 10 o'clock uthi 10 o'clock uthi vele bangathi 10 u10 ulapho uzokupick up uthi the following day vele angipick up sabe vele sofuna i-furniture phela for our new home. Well, I was just the way I was so excited bengize ngiposta ngithi new home unlocked what home something like that go Instagram. Yes, Instagram marani yazini iyofakela amantombazane pressure because abantu like ama post on bafuna impilo bangakuthi impilo lo uyithole kanjani yazini uthi vele the way like I was so excited ngibe ngiposta ngibeke i-champagne nama-glasses la ku kitchen counter ngibulele horror new house unlocked ikilona. So uthi awushoze sihambe nalomuntu vele sihambe sofuna vele i-furniture vele for our new home ayisithole uthi abuthi vele anche black card na swipe phela or angari ikairap or na swipe phela uthi ngibona ukuthi lo muntu lo kahle uyangithanda and uzimise well awushoze ngaleso sikhathi araya kote araya renova re le mofela nibathatha vele labantu inisitsheleni nibathola kanjani nina umuntu akuthendele 20,000 aphinda yenze yonke into yama-furniture ngapha angakangenanga enkonzweni khona like red flag number 1 from now on yabona uthi okay awushoze sifune vele uthi vele my friend asincedise vele na this other guy vele amkhokhelile ukuthi asikhokhele imibheda yenzena install in things like that uthi vele into vele ilunge vele kube right uthi vele angitshela ukuthi from tomorrow ungamove in endaweni yabona uthi sifake everything today but asangiyolala khona ngalala nomngane wami sahamba solala vele kamngane wami because ubrother sazange avuma ukuthi ngilale khona wathi uzolala kusasa yabona so kusasa uzoyolala kamngane wakho upheke izinto zakho kahle lekusasa uzothumela abafana bazokulanda ngebhaki balati umthwalo wakho bakulethele endlini. I was just I didn't have a problem and I was excited yabona so uthi vele the following day vele abafana bese ngithi kwami vele ngiyakuthatha ngishiya umngane wami kwakhe nami ngithi to my yes yabona or I was just masifika laphayana nani nomfana webhaki uthi vele ngimthole already yena sekakhona laphayana uthi mangifika vele ngene endlini uthi ngiyazwa like ukunintuthu uthi yesterday masifika because sifike thina ngifike ekseni mina ngancleana vele ithi indawo beyikliniwe just because of umuntu mawumuva in vele yasithulela ukuthi na ufeel ukuthi ku clean ufeel ukuthi ku comfortable ukuthi wena ucleanile ube comfortable ukuthi ngicleanile uyabona uthi ngicleanile like mangihamba endlini vele bekunika idomestos vele bekunganuki like something snacks uthi mara mangifika ubrothers ukhona uvulile iminyango but ngiyazi ukuthi kunuka like intuthu like smoke yabona but like ngathi umuthi or ngathi impepho uthi nga understand uthi ngimbuza baby yazi yesterday marlana kunuka snacks or uzonuka so every day yabona or yini phela yesterday phela sicleanile lana ngiyakhumbula masamba lana vele bekunika domestos why manje kunuka sona so uthi brothers athi phela mina ngumuntu wabaphansi so bengi-introduce abantu basekithi abaphansi ukuthi bazi ukuthi this is my new home so mina kahle sengiyindoda esithembu uthi atshele usisters uthi sisters athi okay umuntu wami kungcono ngoba ngize ngibheke abaphansi bakho la ukuthi bangivikele izinto ezisichazayo Jehova lebonti. So uthi ngayithathele ekhaya yabona into level ngibrush off like that ukuthi kahle bika introduce amadlozi wasibuthi uzophela lapha yana uthi okay awushozi kube ukuthi vele ngiyasesiceda vele ukuthi izinto lezazangale bakhini hayi ngiyasetlela ini vele ngiyaqala ngiyapaka vele kuma drawer in amakhabeteni in zonke izinto vele uthi ngizibeka into place because of tonight ngimo ngihloroba la nkoteni uthi mangicede vele brothers athi asambe manisiye out sodla out and sizabuya late so uthi okay ngabe nenkinga ke siphume vele ngigeze vele siphume siye out or awusifihle vele kwalerebolele kube mnandi ama conversation vele ayaflow uthi brothers athi today fanele vele ngingene kulomnyango lo yana wenkonzweni angeke vele ngihambe ngingakangena Ashozi uthi mina as a girl I'm excited to finally kanti angazi sambanga ugirl uthi vele ngoba vele indawo vele seseyisha uthi okay ngazange safuna ukumayina indaba ukuthi vele kunuka imphepha and stuff like that angirikhe feel her ngare gentleman like la introduce abaphansi uthi vele athi kimi athi uzolala endlini or awushozi vele ngikethabe or finally this guy global since senza ama up and down sidla out singayenzi next the only thing very dira kibombamba global uthi vele ngigeze uthi ngithi sex challenge njalo ngiziprepareile phela mental physical even nomzimba nawo ready obona or awushozi vele sifike leso sikhathi sokuthi singale nkonzweni uthi uGuy athi yimi athi before singakwenza lokho bengicela ukuthi uguce phansi yabona uthi ngibe surprise ngiguqa phansi for ini manje yabona uthi athi do you want to be in my life efuna lempilo lengizokupha yona na uthi vele aphume ekudlaleni uGuy ke manje athi uyifuna lempilo ngizoprovide yona na yabona uthi girl uthi ya athi ambuza athi no matter what now buza girl before them davaso athi no matter what na girl athi ya athi bengicela each and everything izwenzeka namuhla ngicela like keep it to yourself ungalingi uzotshela omunye umuntu le impilo yami nawo isizoyicala together if you can do this and mina nawe sizophila kamnandi yabona uthi I was just okay uthi ukhuluma so sigucile uthi naye uguce phansi edining room emadini mina phela ngithi asame sekamareni yabona so uthi siguce edining room vele emadini uthi vele angivele like ambutishile question jaku ukuthi promise na do I promise yabona uthi konke ngiyavuma ngisho uthi angicabangi awushozi akena hanento snacks in my mind ngicabanga ukuthi ufuna ukuthi ngizicommit ngafuna ukudisturb emshadweni yabona ngatshela abantu ukuthi like izinto engizicabanga ngakho lezo normal not izinto ezihectic na lezi afu ukuthi mina ngizenze or awushozi ayivele ngivume like I sure ukuthi sifuna ukuthi siqhubeke to the next stage na uthi ngithi ya like I sure ngirathi I even bought ama condoms asinizofela emanyaleni Jesu uthi ya ngiready asambe maniko asambe esikamareni uthi vele uNiko athi okay uthi vele ba or like mabagucela phana bekazikhomita kahle kusho ukuthi kahle bekazikhomita should bafuna ukuthi azikhomite ngazi maybe like umbuso wabo you need to be sure in bafuna wena willing uvume for them ukuthi bakhona uku-introduce lezi zinto zabo bazenzayo yabona so uthi vele masifika kamereni athi kimi athi cima light hawu cima light uthatha icima light or kana kwabere sexy njalo ke thinking ngicabanga ukuthi umuntu uzoyibamba kancane angithi yabona before like react to the main event kulobona I was just umuntu acima light uthi ngicima light hawu sisolala ngobumnyama nkosi yami athi smart teenagers or aw at the back of my mind ngicabanga lokho ukuthi malo muntu lo uthi vele uyangisaba okanjani akena khani dilo tshegolo or I was just umuntu vele akhomule uthi makakhumula nami phela sengikhumulile uthi siyacabuzana lapha sengikhumulile sengisele ngepuna ke yabona or awusizwele umuntu vele aqala angibele or awusizwe umuntu mangibele ube ngathi uyashintsha uba isilwane yabona uthi makangibela uthi like makaqala kokuqala masi angazi ngayichaza kanjani asi hey parental what yo or asozi masicala like maqala like umshini wakho uduma yabona umshini wakho ufaka ukuthi vele ukhiphe le front end loader lento yokuloader ufaka ukuthi ikene komubu then isikuphe kulobona that's the only way I can hayi mara na guys itorseni yasiziyang corrupt and kusese 4:30 sengiya corrupteka kanjani yabona so uthi awusichosi vele umshini ungene kahle uthi like mara ngifeel ukuthi lo mchini lo like akusi normal umchini kube ngathi ngifila ngathi kunama uthi ngathi like awusi like smooth nje like ngemachine eminye yabona so uthi uGuy awusichosi azangayiberekisa ntweke renkirekile I'm ready azangasafuna nokuyisebenzisa tizena like asebenzisa lezi zinto lezo so ubatla hodimha nangibamba ngisho so uthi awusichosi umuntu vele makayi akayikenyane uthi like ngiyafeel ukuthi man this thing is not normal yabona uthi mara ngisapho kusho because of sengifela ukuthi phela this is the new place and bathi sebazongiphatha njengindlukulu kulabona or awusichosi maye kaqala like aya apusha up and down uthi ngiyafeel ukuthi hayi manje lento leyakusiyo le hayi yabona uthi vele ngibe uncomfortable athi uthi vele angihlebele endlebeni athi no baby relax, don't worry, relax yabona uthi vele ngingabi right vele ngibe uncomfortable vele from there ngisenze ukuthi hayi man yabona umuntu demo ayenza uthi ngifeel uthi just imagine lasihlala khona ama-curtain lawo engwafakile ama-blackout uthi vele avala lokukhanya kwangaphandle kuba mnyama vele endlini yabona uthi ayikho sesekamareni ayikho into ekhanyisile ngimbone lo muntu lo ukuthi unjani manje kulobona uthi I can feel ukuthi lo muntu lo is no longer the same person lo ngingene naye kusakhanyisa light like he's no longer the same person or awushoze umuntu ayenze afukuzele uthi ngifile ngathi uba isilwane akusese lo muntu loyana or awushoze ayenze uthi ayenze and for isikhathi eside athi ayenze or like even the sound nanoma phefumula uthi uzongathi isilwane but akusumuntu or awushoze ngisabe nokumphusha cause like manje ngathi ungikhatheletse like ukare uyanginyukubeza the way angikhatheletse ngikateng and uyangizwa ukuthi I'm not doing any sound should like uncomfortable enye indlela ngazi ngikhuleka nokuthi ngipretend uthi ayenze makaqeda uyenza la vele uthi like ubhola khona vele ngathi isilwane or awushoze arase ngari kiphofolo and then from there akathala you know that sound and then uthi ufile ngathi manje suya transformer over this person I know uthi mangimama I could feel ukuthi manje uloniko akathetha lana ndene athi ngathi khanyisi light my love uthi ngikhanyisi light uthi ngibone uniko but ngifeel ukuthi angalalanga noniko or awusuthi ngifeel or akarobala leniko shem langilele nomunye umuntu but not uniko yabona uthi vele ngihambe vele ngiye bathroom uthi ngizibuza ama question uthi I pick up ukuthi I was uncomfortable I pick up nokuthi ngiye bathroom uthi vele aphakame embedeni angilandele bathroom athi yini uthi vele ngihluleke vele ukumtshela uthi vele ngikhihla isililo uthi vele ngisikhihla isililo vele aze yimi bathroom vele angihage athi yini talk to me uthi ngimbuza uthi what just happened uthi athi ngani athi you know ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani kwenzeke ngicela ukuthi ungichazele because if ever uzoba so mina izongihlula le ndima le or awushoze lo muntu lo kusho ukuthi bekanga bungathi ufuna ukungibulala ngocansi uthi vele ngikhulume so ngimtshela ukuthi mina if izoba so izongihlula what's going on talk to me ngitshela ukuthi kwenzekalani uthi uniko vele athi okay do whatever kodwa kuyenza la ne toilet then uze etendo mhlale phansi sikhulume then I will explain to you ukuthi kahle inkinga yini or kahle ukuthi kwenzakalani or awushoze ngangene showereni uthi ngageza uthi ngasikhihla isililo uthi ngakhala enye into uthi ngakhala first time first night endaweni enhle ene beautiful furniture endaweni right eku location right uthi like mangigeza bengisibuza is either ngiyachubeka ngiphila nempilo le engayifuni nalomuntu oh ngiyaphindele kumngani wami emajojombeni la sihlala khona or awushoze I had to make a decision lelo langa eshowereni ngikhala ukuthi isibindi yabulala isibindi yaphilisa uthi ngicede uthi mangiceda vele ngimthole vele angilindile ngalisaqokile phela uyahamba manje uya kumfazi wakhe ngithi into bekayizele icedile uthi vele uniko vele athi kimi athi baby into lo uyifilile ngiyayazi and bengicela ukuthi uniphe a day or two and ngizokhona ukukhuluma nawe ngayo but for now sithando sami bengicela ukuthi don't leave me because already lento lesesicalile like it's hard ukuthi unga back down namanje because of so isicalile lento lo so ngiyacela let me go back to my family ngizobuya ku or awushozi asho angicabuza la nekhanda go espla go forehead abe kuhamba kwakhe abele endlini mina ngisala ngiyi-1 or awushozi tsatsile azangikarobala azangala uthi ngahlala esofeni ngabukela iTV ngahlala uthi umuntu vele ahambe vele and ilukuthi makakhuluma eqanti zongizolala la kube umuntu ukuthi namanje jiki yena so yahamba or awushozi wathi bake nkisaba letaba ngihlale vele lapha yana ngiyi-1 ngizibuze vele izinto eziningi ukuthi is this the life I'm willing to live now because of imali kulona so uthi ahambe athi the following day uthi ngihlalela ngalezi lihlaba vele ngilale emini ngakhona ulala vele ebusuku. The following day vele angifoneli athule uthi lami vele ngithule. Uthi ngizibuza ukuthi makahle kahle ilabantu abathwele laba lo muntu uthwele. Uthi like ngizibuza sometimes ngezinye izinto like mawuzizwa abantu bakhuluma uqabanga ukuthi it will never happen to you until it happens to you. Uthi like ngibe kule moment ukuthi lo muntu lona uthwele yazi uthwele serious. Yabona uthi the following day uthi la ngalihlabe lize lishona ngangifoneli vele athule thitu. Uthi the following day vele angifonele ekseni angibuza ukuthi ukuphi ngithi ngisendlini athi okay I'm coming to pick you up. Ngicela ukuthi uziprepare. Uthi vele ngingaziprepare because like I just want him to come inside and talk to me ukuthi kahle kahle what's going on. Yabona uthi makafike vele ngithule ngisahlele vele esofeni ngamapijama athi awangagezanga athi why ngokuthi ngigeze because I'm still waiting for you to talk to me. Uthi hayi bengizokhuluma nawe but not lana endlini. Usisi was like no I want you to talk to me lana before ngaya anywhere now. What's going on? Yabona uthi vele like give persistent or nyakotsebe or qodiragala eng tell me. Yabona uthi brothers vele ahlale phansi achaza ukuthi no mina nginto le mina like ipatlaza ngizothini ukulalana gives me power, gives me energy, like feeding source yami for lento enginayo. So I need to have ipatlaza. That's why like I transform to something else. It's because of imfamadla. I do have something in me lefuna ukuthi iya crave lento le and I crave from umuntu meaning ngimchuzile enayo yamchuza yamthanda. So that's the reason mangilalo kube ngathi nga transfer. I cannot have angeke ngikhona have lightly on because of this thing needs to come out like him and mawungayibona uzosaba angeke usavuka. So it's best ukuthi wazi lokho. Then uthi ke ngimbuza ukuthi so lento lena angeke mina ngilimaze like ubusadi bakhe like my womb and stuff like that. Yabona athi hayi no angeke ukwenze next. The only thing is uyifuna ukuthi wena like relax uyekele like ukusaba. And then if you can do that ngawisa anywhere in the world, even America ngawuthatha because the more angigenza lokho uyijabulisa is the more izongijabulisa financially. Ugel or awushosi abarchelete ke sebi bakulela net uthi uguy athi kimi athi kesa sihambe I want to take you out and ngine surprise for wena. Or I was chosen, even though being nama doubts ne, but because of chelete, I can even take you to America if ungaba comfortable. Utama basati. Utama kamalai. I was just ngavuka vele ngathi ngageza masinga vele ngaba simple ngathi ilong dress ngathi amatlepisi vele uthi asicokeli with sahamba sangene emotweni. Or I was just gibelela lwena so motor driver niyabona le moto le inesayine so niyibona ngisho or driver angena lapho uthi mangafika lapho uthi ngiyayibona imoto iphumile lapho in red balloon athi there is an story bengakufonelanga bengithulile. It's because I was still searching for a beautiful gift for wena. So this is my gift from me. Or I was just awompona uthi yonke lenyoka kanye yenzeke ithangi iswing stress yesterday the whole day noma afike ekseni beng stressa uthi yabe seyiphumile nje yabe seyiphume ngewindow sengihappy excited athi ngithi imoto ingimele ngered ribbon are eyakho you can take it. Or asuthi asangabelieve uthi thina sijwayela abantu basithengela ama-cruise asingajwayelanga abantu basithengela imishini. Or I was just azanka half a song. Uthi the guy was like thank you ngiyabonga for the day before ngiyabonga into yenzile. It means a lot for kulento nginayo into ikimi. So if ever you continue doing whatever nayo na uzojabula like umtshela direct ukuthi nginaso isilwane and if ujabulisa lesilwane sami it means ukuthi nawe uzoyenzani uzojabula. Clap once. I clap once. I nesiphila movie shem. Yabona uthi vele ingene emotweni ngidrive vele uthi silandelane vele silandelane uthi angifonele athi ungayendlini we need to go and celebrate so ngilandela uri awushozi ngisho ngidriver umshini wami ngilandela ubrothers ahamba nge-wild track ethi ngilandela yena uthi awushozi vele sihamba uthi ama-city bhakada ngiphakathi eSandton City. Uri awushozi yebona le shop le ithengisa izinto ezidurayo zithoma kuma-30 kuya phezulu. Uthi sangena lapho uthi athi pick whatever you want, athi ungaphika 3 items whatever you want, don't check the price tag. Ore bona uthi ngaphika umuntu wabaswipe. Uthi azange ngibelieve, and then we went to this posh restaurant ephezulu le. Uthi saya lapho sadla vele uthi ukavele wangitshela ukuthi mina ama-business wami warana ngalento lena uthi vele amchazela like the whole story. Uthi amtshela ukuthi into lena kumele ukuthi ngachazula because if ingachasuka vele itlong yabona. So I want you and I need you ukuthi ungiphathe kahle ngoba unkosikazi endlini akasafuni ngenkonzo due to since ngithatha lento le, so things are a bit shaky endlini and I think ukuthi angaza ngidivorce. So if ever uziphatha kahle usiphatha kahle ungabe uthola i-upgrade ube musadi. Or awushozi angicabanga ukuthi ngiyophuma kulela flat ngihambe ngiyohlala ko-mentioning or like izinto besele ngizicabanga bengasanandaba nesilwane. Awushozi ubotshani netefeletsheni, judge me if you can. Bengasanandaba nesilwane, the only thing bekunalengidaba lona soft life. Or yazi Instagram page yami beyile so like yazi from 0 to hero ko Instagram. Uthi like I enjoyed izinto bekangithengela zona. I don't want to lie to you, I enjoyed everything, every trip. Uthi besihamba everywhere, ama trip outside the country ube kumamanzi amancane. Uthi lento le ukuthi vele every time kucinya ilight kwaba ukuthi ngiyajwayela, every time masenze inkonzo uvele isilwane. Uthi ngaze yaba into enormal kimi, bengasanandaba shithi bengasanandaba ngizo nami sengiyajwayela. Uthi into yangizwa obuhlungu ukuthi I got pregnant. Uthi mangiba pregnant awushozi ngamtshela ke ubrothers ukuthi I'm pregnant. So brothers athi kimi athi if ever lo mntwana lo uzoba intombazana she will survive, but if pregnant umfana abafana lento le bafuni uzomiscarry. It's either it's up to you uzothola miscarriage, it's up to you ukuthi you want to terminate now or uzoskera isisu le ize ukuphele iterm and then you find out or sihambe kusona or you find out ngoba kuyafana sesiya kusona zabe sekuyinkulu sizo, you find out ukuthi intombazana or umfana, and then if ever siso sisingule usakhona ukuskipha or awuyikusona you find out ayoqeda ukuthi umfana or intombazana, but angeke aza survive if umfana. Uthi angitshele vele first time angimtshela uthi angichazela ngephivele i-explanation enjalo. Uthi awushozi ngizitshela ukuthi I don't have a child and I do want a child with this man ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi if ngaba nengane naye mina naye we are connected for life. It's not easy for him ukuthi angangiyeke. Uthi like ngizitshele kanjalo mina engqondweni. Or awushozi angitshele ukuthi uyaterminate or uyaskipha na. Uthi angibuze direct straight. Yabona uthi mina ngisho ukuthi lokungitshela manje ngifuna ukuthi usabe ukuthi umfazi wakhe uzwazi ukuthi unengane. Uthi ngithi ngiyaskipha angiterminate. Or awushozi isisu sikhule uthi mazithi 6 months ngithi sona mangifika kusona but mfana uthi vele ashabamba ikhanda. Uthi like makaba the way abame ngakhona ikhanda uthi ngibone lapho ukuthi into bekangitshela yona iqiniso, but mina ke esena Thabiso I didn't want to believe him. Uthi ihambe vele isikhathi sami mangithi 7 months umntwana vele ayipre. Uthi ahlale ku incubator umntwana ngasurvive vele ashona. Uthi acele ukuthi umntwana semthathe. Uthi sithathe umntwana awushozi uthi umntwana nobody knew ukuthi mina naye samncwaba kuphi. Sahamba si2 samncwaba esigangeni because angitshela kahle athi lento la ngamelanga ukuthi be next to my family members because ingajika ibe into embi ifamily. Or awushozi umntwana samncwaba esigangeni. Uthi kwaba kulapho ngibona khona ukuthi le life engifuna ngiyithandayo inzima ayisi easy. Awushozi after vele umntwana ancatshiwa esigangeni uthi vele yang-affecta emotionally, uthi yang-affecta ukuthi umntwana uncwabe yini naye sithu, akekho omunye umuntu owaziyo, but umntwana wami ngilahlelena esigangeni. Uthi yang-affecta to an extent ukuthi ngizibuza ukuthi is it worth it, mara le mpilo ngifuna ukuyiphila, like is it worth it for me ukuthi ngilahle igazi lami esigangeni, yabona? Or awushozi izinto vele zishintshe between mina naye, zishintshe vele ngenye indlela serious. Okay, ngiyabona ama-ex because bekathengela ama-expensive gifts afuna ukuthi ngibe right. He even took me to Italy, angithengele like anything engeke batla nayireka. Or awushozi ngaze ngamtshela ngathi ngicela ukuthi ungiphe imali ngakhela abazali bami indlu ukuthi mangifa ngibashela ukuthi isencon. Or awushozi imothola didn't mind. Uthi wangitshela kahle uthi ufuna i-contract yenza ama-quotation, I will pay for everything. Uthi ngabhuli izindlu kamama mphansi phela uthi na kuma-high ngikile rich aunt bebantseba ke nali businesses mokidula ngona. Uthi ngakhela abazali bami indlu, uthi I even bought ubaba mvele ibhakhe ukuthi aqale small business, yabona? Because bengibona ukuthi yabona le ndlela ngihamba izongibulala, and I need to prepare myself ukuthi if ever ngiyafa abazali bami basale na something eyayenza yimi, yabona? Or awushozi umfazi kaNikho neNikho kuba ukuthi vele sebayahlukana ke, because umfazi kaNikho bekangayifunda indaba esilwane, so vele bekangafuna ukuba part of anything involve isilwane, bahlukane just like that. uNikho athi kimi ngoba lo muntu usahambile, I think I rather marry you ube mfazi wami officially. Or awushozi the excitement ya hore tlo nyadi unyale ke motho le ba tšhelete, ke lo bona le hore o dira lenyalo ko magaeng, batho ba bona hore o nyetse ke motho ba le tšhelete, o nyetse ke monna mponyela. Or awushozi like vele ngavuma uthi kwa prepare umshado, or ke bile le lenyalo le lebotse, like my wedding behole lenyalo le lebotse. I don't want to lie to you, but you should know that every night silone phezu kwakho, every night. Awona hore today ke holiday angeke sikwenze next, uthi every single night isilwane phezu kwakho. Uthi even though like benginama expensive things, expensive finisher, uthi samuva nala behlala khona, like he bought me a house, beautiful house. What I was just bengasa enjoy anything, benga enjoy because of into ele besithi inkimela like inisusa japelo, cause ifuna every night. Uthi mawuse Japan, yabona, athi lapho khona athi ngako ray hour long because of angisho iyafida athi, and like nanoma ngamtshela uNikho emini ukuthi today mana singayenza, athi mina anginawo lawo amandla, use it decide. What awushozi uNikho bekafuna ukwenza yonke into ngalento le, athi like athi kufikena la ukuthi uba greedy khona because of like bekanemali, ibusiness ama-business enza kahle, like we had everything, but like umuntu okhona ogreedy. Uthi he went to this sangoma ne, angazi ukuthi sangoma bathi izomupha in uthi abe multi-millionaire kahle kahle, yabona? So ufuna ukuthi like wealth yahare, wealth ibe too much to an extent ukuthi uba greedy, and so uba ilo muntu lo ufuna uhamba ngama-Lambo gini, yabona? Those expensive cars eziyofanga mahlo abatho or unale tšhelete. Uthi I didn't mind mina uhamba ngalezi moto besihamba ngazo because besiphila kahle like normal people. Uthi guy, now this other guy umngani wakhe, they went to this sangoma. So mafika laphayana, I think ukuthi lesilwane lesibeka naso azange sifuna ukuya laphayana. uNikho Badena wafostele ukuya laphayana because bekafuna ukudabula everything bekanayo, yabona? I-greed bese limbambe ngicucucu. Uthi wahamba noGuy, makafika laphayana they did whatever they did. Uthi uNikho ubuye endlini ngabo AM, makafika endlini uthi bekangikhamushi bekangikhayela ikhari phu afi. Uthi makafika endlini uNikho vele wafika, ngambuza ukuthi ubuyaphi, uthi no because of I told ukuthi siyakubukhana sibuye. Uthi awushozi azange ngifuna ukukhuluma next, ngavele ngazithulela because I can see ukuthi lo muntu lo manje sofuna ungilandela abotokoloji ngizophila namatokoloji, or ufuna ungilandela inyoka ngizophila nayo. So wathi mtshela ukuthi no, le bukuyi step 1, so step 2 fanele ukuthi ngihambe ayonikela into engiyothwala ngayo, shoot like the following time makabuyela. So lebe kuyi step 1 lebe kayikhona. What awushozi uNikho waqala lapho the very same day abuye ngalo makuhlaba ilanga. Uthi uNikho waqala vele wagula, uNikho waqala wagula. I didn't understand ukuthi yini inkinga. Uthi mina ngamthatha ngamisa esibhedlela bebangaboni nothing wrong. Uthi like ngacabanga ukuthi lento lo ngoba unento ophila nayo, emanye ngimthathe ngimise kumakhosi. Uthi ngamisa komunye umakhosi, masifika umakhosi was like, why ubreacher? Athi why ubreacher isithembiso sakho? Uthi ubiza unikulele phansi akakhona uphefumula, uthi kunento like emume la, uthi makamchaza uthi ufila ngathi kunebhatata emela, like into sweet potato emela, akakhona ukukhuluma, uthi like makakhuluma imfasa umoya then yamiyeka imfasa umoya then yamiyeka. Uthi lo makhosi asho ukuthi lento obuyithatha le ilwa nalento le onayo emzimbeni, and if ever lento oyithatha le inamandla more than le onayo emzimbeni. Ora awusho zangize ngibelieve uthi ngitshele lo baba ngithi ngicela ukuthi usireverse, ngicela ukuthi ureverse lento le, I reverse at kumele ukuthi abele la uyakhona. And ngoba seki process uyicalile is difficult ukuthi le back down because already I process uyicalile. Or awusho singibuza nikho ukuthi ubuya kuphi, athi call my friend, uthi sibize the friend asho ukuthi sibuya ku kai uthi usisi uthi uthabisa uthi ethi ngicela ukuthi usikhaphe because ngibonga ukuthi lo muntu lo akasi right. Or awushozi sa driver uthi masendleleni uNikho vele angibize athabiso athi ngiyakuthanda kakhulu, ngiyakuthanda and thank you for ukuthi ungikhohlelezi, mara mina yami indlela iphelela la. Or ngithi hayi wena Nikho ungazongihlanyela kwabona, uthi ungazokuhlanya ngoba sokufunela usisi, athi mina yami indlela iphelela la, athi I love you, please take care of yourself, ngiyakuthanda. Uthi ngizwe umuntu athi kwabe kuphela kaNikho just like that, igrade imbulala. Or awushozi I had to prepare for umncwabo. Uthi ifamily kaNikho bebazi ukuthi uNikho uthwele, they didn't want to get involved emncwabeni because basabe ukuthi into ayithwele izowela to the next family member. Uthi ngawurana umncwabo nefamily yami because my family they didn't know anything, nama friends wakhe. Uthi wabe sesinoba uNikho like that. After the funeral ifamily came beza bangitshela ukuthi bona bayangikhulula to do whatever I want. If kenya kurula ngarula, but bona bayangikhulula because they don't want anything involve igazi laka Nikho or anything involve uNikho. Or awushozi ngikhuluma nawe so ibusiness baqale bayitshontshela kancane izinto zibayitshontshela. The company bekanayo go sighting bekane office, uthi kwavele kwaba nomlilo kwasha yonke into. Uthi kwasha the only thing ngisele nayo ilendlu ngiphila kiyo ngalezi zinto angithengele zona zisesekhona, but uthi la endlini ngiyafila ukuthi ikhona into la endlini ephila nami but angikhona ukuyibona and I can't move out. Ngoyapi mangithi move out koya kai. So or mina all I want to say ukuthi abantu besifazana asike ngithanda izinto, never sell your soul for money because of langikhona ngihleli because of ngiyazi mangaphuma kulo yamnyango everything yosaba. Uthi ngihleli mara katsor angatswa so are ntwedile ngidinga ditlotswa so momenwane because of ngiyazi ukuthi asiyezami izakaNikho and umnikazi akasekho. So wona no kemoke lenkoteng because of uthando lwemali. Clap once, guys.